Welcome back to the Money Express, where we acquire you the best strategies for online cash making. This video will generally be about acquiring $80 every 10 minutes. Prior to that, welcome again to another video here at Money Express, where we teach you ways on how you can earn money online, hassle-free, and fast. Before anything else, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. To start, just go to paypal.com, snap the sign up button here to be taken to this site. Join PayPal with the expectation of complimentary today. You may basically go to an individual record and snap on the next button to finish up an extremely basic structure to pursue a free PayPal account. So you can start getting cash into your PayPal account from different countries across the world. Presently, we'll continue on to stage 2. I'd like you to visit betatesting.com. At the point when you get to the landing page of this site, click on this connection up here on top that says join as a beta analyzer. Also, it will take you to this page where you can see early connectors. You can join the beta testing beta analyzer local area. This site permits you to evaluate an assortment of fascinating new items, and you can get compensated to give criticism on new applications, sites, and merchandise. Don't worry, as this is much more straightforward than what you're doing now. Also, I'll show you a model in a moment. In the first place, you'll go through every one of the tasks or the different new applications, sites, and equipment that can be viewed as here. You could possibly acquire different projects that you can attempt to use to start bringing in cash on the web. I'm hearing the greatest exchanging floor, since I'll train you how to achieve it in no time. Continuing on, when you get to the venture, you go to finish your task, give input, and submit bug reports. At last, you can bring in cash as seen beneath. Most tests pay up to $10 to $20. Contingent upon the test you're leading, you can get substantially more cash flow, assuming you work on the web. Presently, we should continue to the subsequent stage. Now, I'm demonstrating how to make free record. Just enter an email address and snap the sign up button, which will lead you to this page as seen previously. One quick advance toward improving as an analyzer is to address a couple of inquiries to make your profile and begin bringing in cash. This progression is urgent, so focus and continue to watch, since I'll tell you precisely the best way to respond to these inquiries. Much more is that you'll have the option to set up your profile and record in under 5 minutes. As a matter of first importance, you'll make a secret phrase for your new record. For the principal's name, essentially enter your name and your last name. The last part of the segment will contain data on the gadgets that you're utilizing. Presently, some of you might utilize an Android phone or an iPhone or maybe a PC, so you might get various positions and get diverse payouts in view of the gadget used. It's additionally conceivable with the task that you will get will be unique. Essentially, they will ask you what TV model you're utilizing at present. I myself use an Android phone, an iPhone, and a Windows PC, so pick each of these 3 choices here. Also, the more gadgets you have, the more open doors you need to bring in cash on the web. Before we go any more profound, I'll give you an ideal opportunity to prefer the channel and offer it a major go-ahead. On the off chance that you've cherished the video thus far, and you might have observed this video intriguing and educational, if it's not too much trouble, please leave a comment down below. So, we should continue to the following stage, which will give you a rundown of applications that can start creating cash on betatesting.com. Allow us now to continue to the accompanying inquiry for your age. Basically, click on this down bolt and select your age followed by your orientation for your country. Just select the country from which you're coming from, and as may be obvious, they are essentially tolerating individuals from everywhere in the world. So, whenever you've picked your country, all you need to do now is pick your time zone, postal division, and instructive foundation. You could just choose each of the choices here. Furthermore, For me, I pick an expert degree, and afterward, for family pay, you can choose whatever pay you currently have. Moving on, when it comes to inquiry concerning specialized insight, I suggest that you pick a normal or master, so we might have more open doors. So how about we continue to the following inquiry? Which informal organizations do you utilize? Well, as for me, I lean toward Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. And are you presently utilized? They will inquire. I'll simply pick generally full-time, and afterward, need to pick an industry outside of my business, since you can pick any industry you need. Furthermore, we're nearly finished with a couple of more inquiries to go. At last, here, you might pick your leisure activities from an assortment of classes. You can pick any class you like, yet I suggest innovation, business, and at any rate, well-being and wellness. These three significant classes will give you the most cash, and you can pick the rest in light of your own conditions. As may be obvious, there is an aggregate of 8 choices accessible. Are you a parent was the last request, so for myself's purposes, I basically select no, and afterward, click the submit enlistment button. Also, it's just basic. Recollecting that test accessibility is vigorously affected by your nation of beginning, and the gadgets you're utilizing, you might have the option to test on an assortment of applications. For instance, assuming you're expected to test this application named 60 Seconds Haro on Google Play, what you can do next is go to the Google Play Store and download these games. Then at that point, begin playing them to furnish input on your involvement in the application. Also, you can procure somewhere in the range of $10 to $20 for every candidate test. However long you have a web association, you can do this on your Android or iPhone. It is actually the case that we could do tests on a site and make extra PayPal cash. So, at the present moment, I will give you a fast example so they can see the total picture and get a decent comprehension of how it functions. Presently, assuming that you procure a task to test on a site, for example, eBay, you can make it happen. In the initial step, you'll go to the eBay site and snap the connection here. You can see the eBay official site, and you may essentially follow the accompanying advance. Furthermore, the following guidance, for example, taking a screen capture of the eBay site landing page. On the off chance that you get this guidance, you can take a screen capture with your phone. Or then again, on the off chance that you're utilizing a PC like me, you can take a depiction and put it away as a picture on your PC. Continuing on to stage 3, kindly find the day-by-day bargain on eBay and take a screen capture. So at the present time, contingent upon what items you get, you might get various guidelines. In any case, the overall thought is that they need to check whether you can explore their site by reading around. They also need to ensure that the individuals who lead on the site can explore around and, in the long run, can effectively track down day-by-day bargains. So, at this moment, you might go to eBay and search for the daily deals region. Presently, you can see every one of the authentic day-by-day offer segments, and you should simply tap on that connection and you'll be taken to this site where we can see that they need to utilize our eBay. Hence, what you'll do now is amazingly clear. Take a screen capture of the daily deal segment to show that you had the option to find it. What you ought to do now is catch 3 screen captures of the eBay site's day-by-day bargain region. It's just as simple as that. Presently, for step 4, kindly search for this gateway here and take a screen capture of the entire item name, which you can feature and duplicate. Basically, select copy and return to the eBay site where we will glue the total item name into the pursuit bar, and you will essentially tap the search button. Also, you'll see that I've effectively found this thing at the present time. The name of what we're searching for should be visible here. Furthermore, that is by and large what we find. I'm essentially going to tap on these, and in reality, it's extremely direct. Take a screen capture to show that you did truly track down the item. Just follow every one of the means and headings at long last. Sit for the eBay client assistance entry and catch a screen capture of it. I will get back to the eBay site's landing page, and I'm basically going to tap on the help and contact page. Furthermore, as may be obvious, I'll head out the entire way to eBay's client care site. Take a screen capture of the page. Then for step 5, when contrasted with basically testing a basic application, you can bring in much more cash by really assessing the site and perusing and traveling through various segments of the site. Once more, contingent upon what country you're from and what gadgets you're utilizing, you might get various tasks and you might be needed to take part in various AP tests. Various sites are entirely invigorating, new, imaginative, and connecting with ideas. So that is the manner by which you can bring in cash web-based utilizing PayPal Cash on betatesting.com. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope you were able to learn something valuable today, and of course, we would like to know what you think about this video. Please leave a comment down below and make sure to subscribe to the channel. And to watch more videos like this, hit the notification bell and don't forget to hit the like button. That's it for today's video. Stay tuned to the next one. Bye!